Stacy.
Yes? Oh no, I lost my page.
Lucky for you, I keep a bookmark in my pocket.
Thank you. Oh wow, this is so cute.
Well, today I'm going to teach you how to make one.
Okay, so what do we need?
We need paper,
Glue
white paper strips,
and scissors. Let's get started.
So the first thing we're gonna do is take our paper,
Mm-hmm.
and this is very important. These folds, you're gonna have to pay attention because these folds are very hard to do. Not very hard, but you just need to pay attention.
Uh-huh.
So fold your paper like this.
Uh-huh. Then you open it up.
Yeah.
Then you fold this other side.
You
Tiny
fold
one.
it up like this. Then you take the corner, you fold that up. Do the
And
same for the other side.
yeah.
Then
Then you open
you
them up
unfold them and fold them.
this side.
Yeah, you fold them down. Now you're gonna take the fold here and fold it inside.
Side the big one. And it will look something like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now once you have this, now we're going to add the decorations like the eyes and the ears and the teeth to make the bunny.
So you draw eyes first.
Yeah.
You have to draw eyes with your pencil.
Draw.
You draw eyes, whatever shape.
Yeah.
And then you just cut them out. You should probably draw big eyes. Mine are
Yeah,
really small.
bigger eyes. Mine are way small.
Yeah,
Look
mine
like
too.
ants. And we're going to put glue on the back of the eye.
Yeah. Just gonna squeeze that on it.
Not too much. Now I'm going to glue the eye to my bookmark.
Now we're going to cut out the ears.
Okay.
There you go.
So what you want to do is fold it in half. Like
Fold it like how? Like
yeah, like the long way.
this? Okay.
So you should have something like this. Then take your scissors and cut out like a shape of bunny ears onto the paper.
There we are.
So as you can see, we have two bunny ears now. Now we can take some colors or something and draw inside, maybe like that, so that it kind of looks like ears. You can put pink or any color. Then now once we have our glue on our bunny ears, going to glue it to the back of the bookmark.
Here.
Mine kind of looks like a fox.
Now we're going to cut the teeth. So you just cut the paper.
Yeah, the white paper strip. Yeah, we're going to stick it to the top push up there. Wow, ours are very different.
Yeah.
Mine kind of looks like a fox. Okay, guys, now that our bookmarks are finished, we're gonna show you how it looks on a book. I'm gonna grab a book, and I'm gonna go say I was reading this page, and I can just slide it in there.
Here.
And we got a little friend at the corner to remind us what page we were on.
Yes. And you can also give this to your family or friends because it's such a nice gift and it's so cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Seth. Now I'll never forget my page.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us and I hope you try it at home.
Yeah, we really liked doing this craft because I read a lot of books and so does Stacy. And sometimes I lose my pages and then I have to read like all the way through the book over and over until I find the page. And it's an inconvenience. So now that we have this very nice little buddy, even I can wear it on my lab coat. But yeah,
Make sure to try this at home and tag us at #SemasLab. This is Seth.
This is Stacy.
And this is Sema's Lab. Bye.
Bye.
Today we're going to make bunny pencil holders. Let's get started. In this activity, we're going to be using paint,
Tissue roll,
paintbrush,
plate,
googly eyes,
scissors,
glue.
and paper.
So the first thing is to take the paint, our blue paint, and put it on the paper plate.
My favorite color.
Yeah,
That's enough.
I think it's enough.
Yeah. Now we're going to paint the paper roll.
Yeah.
The tissue roll.
So you hold it, I paint it.
Okay.
So I'm going to continue painting.
And now I'm going to start cutting the bunny ears. So what I'm going to do is fold the paper in half, like so. And then I'm going to take my scissors and cut out a pair of ears. Now that we've let it dry for a bit, we're going to add the base, just like that. Maybe we should make it a bit bigger, but that's for you guys to do at home. If it doesn't work, make a bit of a bigger base.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Because it can't work without the base.
Yeah. The pencils would just be falling out.
Yeah. So the next thing is the mouth, right?
Yeah.
So we waited for it to dry and it's all dried up.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's looking good.
Yeah. That's a funny bunny.
Yeah. So we made a few others.
Yeah.
Like this one.
I made this one.
This one.
Yeah. So they can store pencils and a lot of other things, like just like rulers and erasers and things that you need for school.
Yeah, let's test it out. Gonna take some pencils. It works!
Yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna put some in this one too. Whew.
And this keeps your pencils from going all over because it's so stable and it's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty. Please make sure you try this at home and tag us at #SemasLab. This is Seth.
This is Stacy.
And this is Sema's Lab.
Bye, guys. For this activity, we'll need 2 paper plates,
Paint,
paintbrush,
scissors,
stapler.
and pencil. Let's get started.
So the first thing we're gonna do is take our paint. You can do that.
And put it on our paper plate.
And squeeze just a bit. We don't need that much.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the paint.
Oh wait, we need to do the eyes first.
Oh, okay. Let me do that. And I'll just...
So we're going to let it dry and come back after it's dried.
So we waited a few minutes for the paint to fully dry and it looks really nice. And now we're gonna make the bunny ears. So we're gonna take a paper plate, the other paper plate. We're going to cut the plate in half.
So that the ears can be really big.
Really big, yeah. Okay, so now we're done with the ears and Stacy's gonna staple on the ears to the mask.
Like this?
Yeah. No, wrong way.
This side?
No. you
How?
have the
This
wrong-
side?
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Like, yeah, like that.
Okay.
So I'll hold it and then
Yeah.
you can staple it. Now that we've stapled the ears on, it's time to add the mouth and we might need glue for this.
Yeah.
And now I'm going to...
It's starting to look like a bunny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like it's frowning. So
Cut
now
it a little bit.
I'm gonna cut it into like a more realistic mouth.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, that's fine. Is it? No, the other way. Like that.
Okay. Then we're gonna add the glue.
Yeah. Now we're gonna leave it out to dry for about a minute and then we're gonna come back.
So we waited for it to dry and it kind of looks like a bunny, but we're not yet done.
Yeah, we need to color in the ears and the mouth and the eyes. So let's start. I'm gonna take pink. How about you choose a color and then do the other ear?
Okay, different colors.
Yeah.
we're going to color the eyes, maybe black?
Or maybe we should use googly eyes.
Oh, yes.
Let's get some. And let's use the glue to stick them onto the eyes.
Mm-hmm.
So now that we stuck in the eyes, maybe we can put black on the teeth, black on the mouth to make it look like teeth.
Yeah.
Or we can use these to make it look like actual teeth. Wait a minute. We forgot a nose.
Oh, right. Shouldn't you glue it?
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm gonna cut it first. So like, yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Okay.
There. Now let's stick the nose on. And now we wait for everything to dry and we'll come back when it has done that.
So now it's dried and it's looking really cute.
Yeah.
Peekaboo. How do I look?
You look like a rabbit.
Oh, let me see. Oh. Okay. So Mr. Bunny is all done and it was fun creating him.
Yeah, and we really hope you try this at home and tag us at #SemasLab.
This is Seth.
And this is Stacy.
And this is Sema's Lab. Bye. Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel.